For this lesson, I'm working with the Premiere Pro project file 0703 stabilizer clip. You'll find that project file with the media associated with this lesson. Double-click on it to open it in Premiere Pro. While many of the visual effects are creative, some help you deal with problem footage. A classic example is shaky camera work. Premiere Pro has an effect that will often solve this problem quickly and easily, the warp stabilizer effect. Let's check it out. I've got a shot in the project panel here, clock shake, so I'm going to double click to open it up. And let's take a look at this playing back. Well, it's a nice shot, but it's definitely very shaky. I'm just going to take the video part of this clip into my sequence by dragging the Filmstrip icon under the monitor. And I'm going to put this down on the timeline over the kids rolling a tire shot. Because snapping is on my timeline, this is going to jump into position at the beginning of the clip and replace it. And there it is. I'm going to the Effects panel, and I'm going to type in the search box the word warp. That lets me quickly find the warp stabilizer effect, and I'm going to drag this onto the clip. Premiere Pro begins analyzing the clip in the background, and if I go to the Effect Controls panel, you can see the frame count as it goes through that analysis. Once the analysis is complete, we can take a look at the result.
De mis raíces. To the people of...
That's a massive improvement, with no need to make adjustments to the settings. Over in the Effect Controls panel, I do have a few ways to change the results that we get from this effect. But what I'm really interested in right now is this result menu, where I can change the option from the default of smooth motion to no motion. You may notice the clip has zoomed in just slightly further than before, and that's to allow the movement to be fully compensated for. Let's take a look at this new version.
De mis raíces. To the people.
Fantastic. Not all footage will have enough visual cues for the warp stabilizer to work with, but this can be a quick lifesaver when working with roughly shot handheld footage that you would prefer to be smooth.